Spilling dangerous materials into your eyes or on your body. Never assume that the power has been disconnected to an outlet or an exposed wire. Always check with your construction foreman to make
You have a hammer or a screwdriver? No.
But we can get
We need to pop the lid off. We need to pop the lid off these ones. So is it the short ones? These are just too short. Or is it
Okay.
The river's over there that came up. Been on the hill, the water came down, went into the house.
Mold is one of those things.
You want to interview, don't you? Are you throwing stuff at me? Ah! This one will take care of you. Boom.
What's up?
You coming through?
here is the one where it's working. Tom, how are you?
Doing good.
Hi, I'm Karen, and I am one of the recipients of the new home that Samaritan's Purse is building. What a blessing it has been for all the volunteers to come out and to show their love and using their hands as God's hands while they're here. Dear Heavenly Father, thank you for them. We love them. We appreciate them. This is my beautiful, magnificent home. And thanks to you guys and your support and your help that I get to move in next week, and I cannot wait. And I appreciate each and every one. And if it's something that you're thinking about doing, do it, because it's a blessing to me, and it will be honestly, truly a blessing to you.
Whoa. Oh. That's going to be in the video for sure. I want to get Mark, man. Let's see it, Mark.
Well, we got a lot of volunteers, and let me tell you the story that it started with. Me and my wife sat right here on the porch during Hurricane Helene, and we watched the trees fall in the background thinking that we were okay because nothing ever happened. Well, about 3 months ago, which is about a year after Helene, my kitchen floor and my dining room floor started sinking. We called in somebody to check it out. They said the foundation was washed out. $25,000 to have it fixed. Well, I talked to my pastor, Dwayne, in First Christian, and he was going to have a crew come out and fix the floor. Well, after it was busted up, we called Samaritan Purse, and Mike from there sent his crew to empty it out, and they're going to rebuild me a home right here. They're going to knock down this one and put up a new one. We just thank God for everybody that's out here right now.
Hi, I'm Kimmy. This is Michael. We are Helene survivors that we were lucky enough and blessed enough to have Samaritan's Purse come over and help us with a new home. The water came through so fast and so fierce, flooded the streets, flooded our house, flooded our property, went up like 10, 12 feet deep. I got on, after I could get back online after it was all done, we got power back a couple weeks later. I filled out the forms for Samaritan's Purse, and they got a hold of me, and they asked me, what do you need? And I was like, I just need a tarp. I just need a tarp for my roof so the water will stop coming in. And they came over and they put a tarp on my roof. And then me and Michael were in there working on the house, and they came back and called me again and asked me, do you still need help? I said, yes, please. I figured maybe they would come over and help us, take out some of the walls or the...
And by that time, we had most of the drywall out, the old insulation that had got soaked, and mold had already started growing on the house.
Yeah, I forgot about that.
So Samaritan first called us back and said, come to our Boone headquarters. We have a gift card for you to the grocery store. And we did that, and we came in, and they called us a little while later and said, do you still need help with your house? Yes, we do. And we were thinking about remodeling was the only thing in our head. And after a couple of teams came out and looked at our house, they asked us if we would consider letting them tear our house down and build us a new house. And it never even entered our mind that was possible.
No.
And of course we said, yes, we'll let you do that. And 4 months later, we had a brand new house,
Yeah, they started in
and
March.
it's awesome. And
Dedicated in July.
I have met the nicest people I've ever met through this experience. Everybody from the staff to the counselors to the volunteers, everybody was so nice and so loving and so helpful.
And we still keep in touch with some of the volunteers that helped on our house, because it was so difficult to, I felt like I was losing new friends every week, because we were right there in it with them. You know, we did what we could do every day in there with them. So they became very dear friends, very dear friends. And again, I still keep in touch with some of them. They come and visit, and we text, and, you know, so yeah, what they do, the volunteers, and it's the staff, everybody.
They couldn't do it without the volunteers.
Correct, that's what I was going to say.
And
yes.
and not only did they come out and work very hard physically on our house, they lifted us up too.
100%.
They held us up and encouraged us, and it was an awesome experience.
It was.
It was a life-changing.
Yes.